Today I have a service call that water is leaking to the office area from the HVAC rooftop unit. This is it's a very common problem that we receive during the summertime, that water is leaking from the roof, and the customer call 50-50 chance. They thought the leaking is from the rooftop unit, or sometimes it could be from the roof of the building. So coming down here is a drain. You can see water just fell a couple minutes ago, which is good. So that helped me in diagnosing my problem. So when water fell this way, it really helped when I come in here on such a call. That helped me diagnosing the problem. So you can see water is draining down. So I'm going to check my unit why there is a leak to the office area, and I will tell you my unit. The unit I'm asked to look at, the office area where it's leaking. This is the unit. This is the unit. So you can see there's water here on the floor. There's water here, so which is okay, that's good. So coming down here, the first thing I identify is that my P-trap is not there. So that's a potential problem. So when that P-trap is clogged up or is falling off, yes, the water will leak to the roof. And then to this side, I'm just going to look around, and then after that I'm going to open the unit and see more. But with that P-trap not there, it's a potential problem. So I will let you know. Thank you. Okay, so I took out my filter access area. This is for my filter access, and here is for the blower access. And here you can see the coil of the evaporator. So when the unit works, it's going to be dripping water on this pan, and here's my drain of the pan. So the drain is going to just come in here to this P-trap, and now this P-trap is broken, so it will need to be changed. So if this P-trap is not there, there is not going to be a negative pressure to hold that water. So the P-trap needs to be fixed, and then I think that is going to be the problem. Other than that, some other problem might be maybe if there is a freon problem or the drain is clogged. So in this case, I'm going to clean up the drain properly and then change the P-trap. So I guess this is a common problem in summertime, but I think this will be fixed. Sometimes it may not be this problem. It might be a roofing problem, because sometimes you have a problem with the flashing. But I think in this case, the flashing is okay, and my curbs is okay. So this unit should be okay when I change that P-trap and clean the drain. So thank you, and again, please subscribe to HVAC Mechanical Systems. We'll be giving you more tips on how to solve some minor problem on your HVAC. Thanks for watching.